Hi, welcome back to Moose in Chemistry, Stoichiometry Lesson number 18. Given 23.27 moles of Na2SO4, which is called sodium sulfate, how many grams of Na2SO4, sodium sulfate, do we have? Unlike our last lesson, in Stoichiometry Lesson number 17, we were going from grams to moles. In this case, we're going to go from moles to grams. So we're going the reverse operation this time. But like lesson number 17, we still have to figure out what is the molar mass of sodium sulfate. So let's go ahead and do that. So let's write down Na. We have two of those, and we look on the periodic table, it's 22.99 grams per mole. Okay, that was simple. We have one sulfur, so 1 times 32.06 grams per mole. Again, that is found on the periodic table. Oxygen, which we know is 15.99, but we're going to round off to 16. We have 4 of those, times 16.00 grams per mole. So now all we have to do, guys, is the math. So 2 times 22.99 is going to equal 45.98 grams per mole. That was simple. And of course, anything times 1, right? So it's going to give us 32.06 grams per mole of sulfur. And then 4 times 16 is going to give me 64.00 grams per mole of oxygen. All we have to do is add those all up together, and when we do that, we get 142.04 grams per mole of sodium sulfate, which is Na2SO4. Now, in this case, we're going to go from my moles to my grams. So the operation can't be reversed. So we have 23.27 moles of sodium sulfate. Put that down. Okay. Times 142.04 grams of sodium sulfate. We want that on the top because that's what we're looking for, because we're looking for how many grams. So we're going to put that over 1 mole of sodium sulfate. So our moles are going to cancel out, and we're going to multiply 23.27 by 142.04. When we do that, we get a pretty big number. We get 3,305.27 grams of sodium sulfate. Now, depending on sig figs, this answer may or may not be correct. So right here, this number has 4 sig. And this number here has 5 sig figs. So you can only be as accurate as your least number sig figs, which is 4. So we're going to make the answer to be 3,305 grams of sodium sulfate. That was pretty easy. If you like this video, give us a like and consider subscribing so we can grow this channel. You guys be snarly. I will see you back here at Moose in Chemistry.